Hey buddy. Long time no talk. How's it going?
Yeah, it's been a while. I'm doing alright. But you won't believe what happened. My microwave broke recently, and now I'm struggling to have proper meals.
Seriously? What seems to be the problem?
The darn microwave door won't close. It's driving me crazy.
Oh, so it's a door switch issue, huh?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Well, why don't you show the door switch to me? Maybe I can help you figure it out.
Are you serious you know anything about microwaves?
Come on, don't underestimate me. I might surprise you with my microwave knowledge. Send me a photo quickly. Ah, this switch. I know this. I had a similar issue before. In fact, I know where you can find the exact part you need. There's a seller called Enterpark on Amazon. You can find the part you need there.
Really, can you give me some more details?
Absolutely. Enterpark is a reliable seller that has been offering genuine OEM appliance parts since 2015. They have a wide range of appliance parts, including the door switch you're looking for. And the best part is, it's not even expensive. It's just a few bucks. I mean, we're friends, right? I want to help you out.
Well, if you put it that way, why don't you buy it from me and fix my microwave?
Voila! Consider it done. Since it's not expensive, I'll purchase it and have it sent to you.
Whoa, what's this about friends being awesome?
Alright, I got it. Since it's not expensive, I'll purchase it and have it sent to you. Don't starve, my friend. Hang in there.
Thanks a million, man. I really appreciate it.
Expressing their friendship, Andy generously offers to purchase the needed part and have it sent to John, ensuring he doesn't go hungry. This act of friendship brings a sense of relief and gratitude to John. Enterpark, a trusted seller on Amazon since 2015, specializes in offering genuine OEM appliance parts. Their inventory includes the SZM V16 FD63 door switch, which replaces part numbers 3405-001034, 3405-000178, 443-3709, PS 1174166, and EAP 1174166. This high-quality switch is compatible with microwaves from Samsung, Maytag, Amana, Kenmore, and Kenmore Elite. With Enterpark, you can find the perfect solution for your microwave repair needs.